The flame will tell which metal lies within that salt. This one looks an awful lot like lithium. I bet that would make a pretty firework. And this one appears to be, I'm guessing, copper. Cuprum, named after the island of Cyprus and cypress trees. Oh, and I was gonna do the little dragon. Looks like he's breathing fire. Right? Oh, hello there. As a high school science teacher, I am often asked, what do I do to control bad acids or bad odors? And what I always tell them is that I like to use sodium hydrogen carbonate. I mean, sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda. What a fantastic chemical. You can use it to control odors, you can use it to control acids. It's relatively safe. I mean, it is described as a desiccant. If it gets on your skin, it could eventually dry it out, and you don't want to eat a whole bunch. But other than that, it's perfectly safe. What a great chemical. Let's see it neutralize one of the nastiest customers. What do you think it is? One of the nastiest acids. Nasty. Let's see. Let me just reach for my handy dandy baking soda. Oh yeah, we got lots. We got lots, guys. Oh, this one's already open. Let's use that one. Yep, we got a lot. Okay, let's see how it stands up to some of the nastiest acids out there. Here we've got sulfuric acid, a diprotic acid. Think about what you'd expect it to be on there. Gives you a really nice color. And then in this one, what do we got? We got nitric acid. Okay. Look at those colors. Is that what you expected them to turn? Okay. A lot of times the nitric acid will actually react with the universal indicator. Okay. So let's see how baking soda takes care of some of the nastiest of all the acids. The nastiest customers around. It just takes them down. Remember, baking soda, one of the most useful chemicals. Oh wait, what do I smell over there? Oh, is that this? Well, it's this, but it's also that. Oh, you know what? Hey, they make the kind with a little bit of scent in it. You know what this does? Takes care of all that nasty odor. I always sprinkle this in my garbage cans. Baking soda. And now maybe we should talk about shop towels. So you might wonder, what's the best antacid? I got it right here. Figured it out? Formic acid. Get it? Formica in Latin is the word for ant, and so when you squish an ant, it's got formic acid in it. You might know the word in Spanish, hormigas. It doesn't sound like formica, but in Latin, the C and the G were interchangeable, like Gaius Julius Caesar was Caius Julius Caesar also. So like, you could also say formiga, and if you say formiga, get rid of the F. What the F happened to it? Then you've got hormigas, right? What's H2SO4? It's for dehydrating carbohydrates. H2SO4, this one. Because if you put sugar and sulfuric acid together, it's a very strong oxidizer, and it's like a kid stripping the leaves off of a branch. It just takes all the water off of it, and it leaves behind the carbon. You could check out the carbohydrate demo for that. Shop towels, multiple uses, just so many uses, like cleaning up liquids and wiping things off, and just so many uses of shop towels. All gone. Baking soda.